I made it. We're here. Deer hunting with guns. I think it's my maybe 4th time hunting. All the 4 times, never saw a deer. I did it. I was afraid I was gonna burn my lips because it's very hot coffee in this mug that we don't know what it says. Can you see what that says? We don't know. It's a random mug. What are your true thoughts on hunting with me? Are you annoyed?
No.
Am I a good hunting partner?
You walk really fast.
Oh, okay. Do I talk too much?
No.
Okay.
Well, you talk about as much as my mom does.
Is that a lot?
Well, we've never seen deer either, so.
Oh, so maybe if I stop talking. What makes a good hunter?
Luck.
Any other tips for the viewers?
Well, it helps if you have a bullet in your gun and you remember to turn the safety off when you pull the trigger.
So what are some tips?
There's a deer right there. I'm kidding.
That was so mean. I was so excited. That's awful. Okay.
Gotta keep it light.
Okay, Jakey, what are some tips to make hunting successful?
Luck.
Okay, what else?
There's gotta be deer, but they don't exist. So
They don't
I
exist,
don't even
but
know
they
what-
do exist.
I don't know why we're out here because deer don't even
They
exist.
do exist.
I don't know.
They do.
No, I think they're like Bigfoot.
So, you have gotten 3 deer here, and you've hunted here over 100 times,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
It's not very good odds, right?
No. That's why it's luck.
Okay. Okay, guys, so far, we haven't seen anything except for a chicken. That's about it. And again, some squirrels. So, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and Eli just got home. So, Eli is going to, what do you guys call it?
He's gonna push the bottom.
He's gonna push the bottom, and hopefully we're gonna see some deer. We just got a text from Eli, and he said, it's showtime. So, it's showtime. So, get ready for the show, guys, because hopefully we see some deer. That's the plan. I don't think it's gonna happen, but
Well, you're such a Debbie Downer.
no, actually, I do think it's gonna happen. I do think it's gonna happen.
Well,
So,
now you jinxed us.
no, I'm just joking. I was joking. Where's the show?
The fox, I gave you the show.
Thanks. We didn't see any deer, but it was a fun time. Got to hunt with my nephews and chalk it up as another year of hanging out in the woods and enjoying the nature and dressing up with a bunch of orange and camo, and it was fun. So maybe the 5th time will be the charm. But hunting, yeah, it was successful without seeing a deer, so guess we'll try again another time.